Investing has always been about trying to stay one step ahead, finding the right opportunities at the right time. But let's face it, navigating the stock market or choosing the best investments can feel like a guessing game. What if there was a way to eliminate much of that guesswork? Enter artificial intelligence, a technology that's not only changing how we work and live, but is also transforming how we invest. In 2025, AI has become more than just a buzzword. It's now a tool that's reshaping the financial world and putting smarter investing within everyone's reach. At its core, AI in investing is like having a superpowered assistant that never sleeps. It can analyze thousands of data points in seconds, something no human could ever match. From stock prices and market trends to global news and economic shifts, AI processes it all to give investors clearer insights. Imagine trying to make sense of hundreds of pages of financial reports on your own. AI does that in moments, identifying patterns and opportunities you might have missed. And it's not just for Wall Street pros. AI-powered tools are now designed to help everyday people make better financial decisions. But AI's power doesn't stop at data analysis. It also removes one of the biggest hurdles investors face: emotions. We've all heard stories of people panicking during market crashes or making impulsive decisions during a rally. AI doesn't panic, and it doesn't get greedy. It sticks to logic and data, helping you avoid the emotional traps that can derail even the best investment strategies. That's why many experts believe AI is leveling the playing field, making smart investing accessible to anyone willing to embrace this new technology. Of course, AI isn't a crystal ball. It can't predict the future with 100% accuracy, but what it does offer is a significant edge. In 2025, platforms powered by AI are not only helping investors pick stocks or manage portfolios, but also guiding them on when to buy, sell, or hold. Whether you're a beginner or someone with years of experience, these tools are changing how we think about investing, and this is just the beginning. Let's explore how AI is solving even more challenges and what that means for your financial future. As we dive deeper, it's clear that AI isn't just making investing smarter, it's making it more personalized. In the past, investing advice often came in a one-size-fits-all format. Financial planners or generic tools would suggest broad strategies that didn't always align with individual goals. But AI has changed that game entirely. In 2025, AI-powered platforms analyze your specific financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance to create investment plans tailored just for you. Whether you're saving for retirement, a dream home, or just looking to grow your wealth, AI adapts to your needs in ways traditional methods never could. Take robo-advisors, for example. These AI-driven tools have become the go-to for millions of investors. They use complex algorithms to manage your portfolio automatically, balancing risk and return based on your preferences. Unlike traditional advisors, they're available 24/7, cost a fraction of the price, and don't get tired of answering your questions. Imagine having a financial planner who's constantly fine-tuning your investments, even while you sleep. That's the power of AI working in your favor. But the personalization doesn't stop there. AI tools now go beyond just managing portfolios. They can predict trends based on global events, alert you to potential risks, and even suggest alternative investment opportunities like real estate, cryptocurrencies, or sustainable funds. For instance, if a major economic shift occurs, like a new policy affecting energy markets, AI can quickly analyze the impact and recommend adjustments to your portfolio. It's like having a financial crystal ball that helps you stay ahead of the curve. What makes this even more exciting is that AI is breaking down barriers that once kept investing out of reach for many people. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a large amount of money to get started. AI-powered platforms are designed to be user-friendly, guiding you step by step. Whether it's helping you choose your first stock or suggesting an ETF that aligns with your values, these tools make the process feel approachable and achievable. Yet, with all this innovation, some may wonder, is AI taking over too much? Can we trust it completely? These are valid questions, and while AI offers incredible advantages, it's not without limitations. While AI has undoubtedly revolutionized investing, it's important to understand its limitations and potential risks. No technology is perfect, and AI is no exception. One of the biggest misconceptions is that AI can predict the future with pinpoint accuracy. While it's incredibly powerful at analyzing data and spotting trends, the financial markets are influenced by countless unpredictable factors, like sudden political events or natural disasters. AI can provide insights, but it can't guarantee outcomes. This is where human judgment still plays a critical role. Another challenge lies in the data itself. AI relies heavily on historical data to make predictions and recommendations. If the data it's analyzing is flawed or incomplete, the conclusions it draws may also be flawed. For example, in volatile markets or unprecedented situations, such as the emergence of new technologies or industries, AI may struggle to provide reliable guidance. This is why it's essential to use AI tools as a supplement to, not a replacement for, your own research and decision-making. Trust is another factor to consider. Many AI-driven platforms operate as black boxes, meaning the algorithms behind their recommendations aren't always transparent. Investors are often left wondering how or why a specific decision was made. While most platforms are designed to prioritize the user's best interests, it's still crucial to choose tools from reputable providers and understand the basics of how they work. Blindly following AI without understanding its reasoning can lead to unexpected results. Security and privacy are also concerns in the age of AI. These platforms handle sensitive financial information, and ensuring that your data is protected should always be a priority. While most companies invest heavily in cybersecurity, no system is entirely immune to breaches. Being mindful of the platforms you use and safeguarding your personal information are essential steps to protect yourself in this digital landscape. Despite these risks, the benefits of AI far outweigh the drawbacks when used wisely. The key is to strike a balance. Leverage the speed and precision of AI for analysis and insights, but always apply your own critical thinking. As we bring everything together, the real power of AI in investing lies in combining its capabilities with your own intuition and strategy. AI is a tool, a remarkably advanced and efficient one, but it's most effective when paired with a human touch. Think of it as a partnership. AI handles the heavy lifting, like analyzing complex data and identifying trends, while you make the final calls based on your goals, values, and risk tolerance. One of the best ways to use AI effectively is to stay informed and proactive. Don't rely entirely on automation. Instead, take the time to understand the basics of the tools you're using. Platforms like robo-advisors and AI-driven stock screeners are designed to make investing easier, but knowing how they work ensures you're in control. Keep asking questions, learning, and staying curious about the market trends and strategies that matter to you. Diversification is another key strategy. AI can help you spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and even geographic regions. By doing so, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, which helps protect your portfolio from sudden market shifts. Use AI to identify opportunities in areas you may not have considered before, whether it's emerging markets, sustainable investments, or alternative assets like cryptocurrencies. Perhaps the most exciting part is how AI empowers everyday people to take charge of their financial future. You don't need a finance degree or a huge budget to get started. Whether you're investing for the first time or looking to optimize an existing portfolio, AI provides tools that make the process accessible and manageable. This democratization of investing means that anyone, regardless of experience, can build wealth and achieve their financial goals. So, as we move forward in 2025 and beyond, the question isn't whether AI will revolutionize investing. It already has. The question is how you will use it to your advantage. Will you embrace these tools to make smarter decisions save time, and uncover opportunities. The future of investing is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Take the first step today and let AI guide you toward a brighter financial future. The possibilities are endless, and they're waiting for you to explore.